say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. Take me in slow, breathe me in and let me go, filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind, just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control.
Alright guys, as you guys can see, we've been cleaning up, trying to get rid of everything. I already got the Scirocco out, as you can see, but it looks almost as if we have more of a mess now than we did before. And yeah, that's due to a little problem that I actually found. For the last couple days we've been seeing water gathering up there, and anyway, we're here behind the water heater, and I just broke this open here because we're getting a big leak from down below there. Let me see if I could get some light there. There we go. Yeah, we're getting a leak there, and yeah, that's gonna be putting a halt into some of my progress because we need to get this fixed. The pipe that's actually broken goes into the concrete on the floor, so that means they're gonna have to tear some stuff out and quite possibly remove the water heater and all that good stuff. But yeah, just thought I'd give you a little progress. I'm sorry that I've been bombarding you all with the cleanup of the whole place. But yeah, just wanted to keep you guys informed. Obviously, Po Boy's got a lot of stuff saved up, and he's going to be getting rid of a lot of it too. So I think this is too much of a job for me and the truck to do. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to either rent one of those big dumpsters, that they bring over and leave it in your home for a couple days, or hire a company to come pick up all the garbage. That way it avoids me from going through so much hassle going from place to place trying to take it over to the dump yard and stuff. So I'm sorry about the short video, basically all based on cleanup and putting stuff away, but this is something that I need to do in order for me to begin the chassis work. I gotta make sure everything is set up right and cleared out of the way, so that way we have the room for the chassis itself as we build it. So I'm just gonna cut it here for now. Obviously we got some issues to take care of with a plumber. So anyway guys, I'm gonna cut it here for now. I love you, God bless you, and let the coal roll.